How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. If you use a Samsung smartphone and you love customization, then I'm sure you probably heard about goodlock. It's an official app made by Samsung that brings a lot of customization features and take your Galaxy smartphone to the next level. Now every year goodlock gets updated to support the latest One UI version and bring in some really cool amazing new features. With that being said, in today's video, I'll be showing you some of the best new goodlock features that every Samsung owner should start using right now. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First things first, let me quickly show you how to install goodlock on your Samsung phone. So if you are new to Samsung or you just don't have goodlock, then head over to the Galaxy store and search goodlock. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description below, so just go ahead and install it right away. Once done, now when you open this app, here you will see a list of all different modules. I'll show you some of the new and exciting features that have been recently added in goodlock. First, let me show you how to get this cool looking volume panel on your Samsung smartphone. To get this look, you don't have to install any third-party app from the Play Store. This is actually the built-in Samsung volume slider. All you need to do is just install this goodlock module called Sound Assistant. Now go inside and select this option that says make your own volume panel colors. Here you get this brand new Flex Volume UI. Simply go ahead and turn this on. What it does is, it actually adds some really cool lighting effects to the volume panel and it completely changes the way how your volume slider looks like. You can choose different lighting effects depending on your mood, and there is an option to change the texture as well. You can even customize and change the volume control type. Let's say if you want to have a circular shaped volume panel, then you can configure and set the control type as knob, and that actually looks quite different. There is also an option to change the shape, and there are so many different shapes that you can choose from. Guys, if you're into customization and you really want to change the look of your phone's volume slider, then definitely install this module in goodlock. Next, let's talk about one of my favorite goodlock feature, and that feature can be found inside the Wonderland module. Now you can create different lock screen effects with the help of this amazing goodlock module. Just select and apply your favorite wallpaper from the gallery, and here you can add some really cool lock screen effects that are absolutely stunning to look at. I can set up my lock screen to light up like a CRT monitor, and this actually looks quite unique. There are so many different effects that you can choose from. We have pixelate, ripple, edge, blur, and hexagon is pretty cool as well. Not only this, it even allows you to configure and change the speed of the effects. You can add more depth and do a lot more. So if you want to customize and add some cool looking transitions to your lock screen, then you can surely install this module on your phone. One hand operations has to be one of the most useful goodlock module, and a lot of people use this just to customize and add some more useful gestures in One UI. Recently we have got an update to this module, and now what you can do is, you can add this new action called Quick Launcher to quickly launch and switch between apps by just using a simple gesture. This works everywhere and it definitely makes switching apps a lot easier. So if you're already using the one hand operations, but still if you're unable to find this new feature, then just make sure you have updated and running the latest version of one hand operations. Next we have got another new feature, and this time you need to update the Edge Lighting Plus module. I'm still not sure if it is available for One UI 5 users, but my device is currently running the latest One UI 6 and I'm able to get this awesome feature. All you have to do is just turn on the edge lighting and enable this option called Set Custom Style. There is one more option which you need to turn on, and it's called Show App Icon instead of Custom Style Image. Also enable this setting that says when your screen is turned off. Now whenever you receive any notification on your phone, that specific app icon will pop up as bubbles on your always on display. As you can see, when I receive a message on WhatsApp icon appears all over my screen, and I think it's a really cool feature that's been added in Edge Lighting Plus. Even if your phone is running One UI 5.1, I'll suggest you to check if there is any update available for this module. Finally, let's talk about the Quick Start module, which is all about customizing the quick settings panel, and there are a couple of new features added in Quick Start. You can now adjust the space between the quick settings tile, so you can have more or less toggles depending on what you want. By default, it only has 4 tiles in a row, but you can easily add more tiles with the help of this module. Apart from this, you can also adjust the swipe area of the status bar, so you can allocate exact portion to access the notifications and quick settings as per your requirement. These are the 2 new features added in Quick Start module. Guys, if your phone supports goodlock, then I'll highly suggest you to start trying out all these exciting new features right now. And even if you don't have goodlock, then there is an app called FindLock which is available on the Play Store, and it works exactly like the goodlock app. So just go ahead and try out all these amazing features on your Samsung phone. That's pretty much it for this video. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite goodlock feature. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.